Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is a memory plan with me. I'm using this kit by Two Lil Bees. It's called Pumpkin Spice and it is the absolute perfect early fall kit. It is so pretty. It's foiled in gold and it's just stunning. I love the flowers and the florals of this. I'm also pulling in these two deco sheets from Melissa's Craft Shop and they are the same floral clip art. It's just that there's like a difference in saturation, which I don't think becomes like too big of a deal for the spread as a whole. I think because the florals are going to be dispersed throughout the entire spread, it's going to look nice. So I will admit that this is one of those spreads where it ends up that like a whole floral garden throws up all over my planner, but I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it at all because I think this spread comes out so stunning. There is just florals everywhere and I'm obsessed. In addition to the florals, I'll pull in a lot of fall themed foil deco and you will see that as the spread goes on. So while I'm laying down the base, I do want to say this video is going to be coming up after or like the weekend of the Thanksgiving in the US. So if you do celebrate US Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great holiday, had some really good food, spent time with family and loved ones, and I hope everyone just enjoyed the long weekend. And I also want to mention that I just recently reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is insane. It's insane. I can't believe it. I'm completely floored and I am just so thankful that you guys are subscribed to me and appreciate my videos, and I'm really happy to be able to share this awesome hobby with so many of you and people that love the hobby too. So thank you so much. I appreciate it so much, honestly. It's just crazy. So anyway, let me get into the sidebar. I'm breezing through the sidebar right now, but let me see as far as what you can see. I like to pull in highlights from the week into the sidebar because I don't use my sidebar functionally whatsoever. This is a memory planner, so nothing's functional, but I like to pull certain things from the week to kind of generalize the week and just put some context. So here I'm pulling in a frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO and then some deco to mark that it was my boyfriend's birthday this week. There's a ton of foil deco that I'm just putting down here right now. I think I'll be able to talk more to that when we get into the daily plans. I'm using a lot of the same stickers throughout the entire spread, so I think, yeah, I'll be able to mention them a bit more in depth as we go on. The two other things that I pulled into the sidebar are the book that I was reading this week, which is The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, and then I was also obsessed with this YouTube channel called Nate the Hoof Guy, which is so interesting. If you have just some spare time and maybe like 5 minutes, go watch one of his videos. His profession is hoofer, like cow hoofer. So he trims cows' hooves for a living, and I believe they're milking cows. And he posts videos about his hoof trimming, but a lot of the times the calf will have what did I just say, calf? The cow will have a problem with its hoof, so there might be a stone or a lesion in there, and he treats it, and it is so interesting. If you've ever seen a horseshoe changing video, it's similar to that, but I feel like it's more interesting. My boyfriend compared these videos to kind of pimple popping videos, kind of like that level of interest. It's you can't look away type of thing. So anyway, yeah, I was just super obsessed with Nate the Hoof Guy this week, and I obviously am still quite into his videos, to be honest. But okay, yeah, so pulled in a lot of the same stickers that I'll mention throughout the spread into the sidebar. But let me talk about, I guess, the top left hand corner, since you do see it right now. That September script is from the Glitter Mama, and it's on transparent matte sticker paper, which is awesome, so you don't get like the glare of the clear glossy paper. Love that September script. I'm also pulling in um yeah, I don't know what's the easiest way to do this. Okay, let's just get into the bottom half of Monday and we'll kind of see how this goes. I'm just pulling down or putting down just some like a floral scene here at the bottom of Monday. That leaf branch is from the Glitter Mama and that little dot cluster is from Honey Inked, as is the floral divider trim that I just used to close out the column there. And so I also just marked my workout with a water bottle from Paper Blush Bar, and then this whisk from Planning Roses, which is also on transparent matte sticker paper. That's the first sticker I ever got on that type of paper, like maybe it was last year I got that or 2 years ago. But I just used that to mark that I made some apple cobbler. The week prior to this, we had gone apple picking, so we had a shit ton of apples, and I was always interested in trying apple cobbler, and it was really, really, really yummy. Okay, for my work meetings this week, I am pulling in this really tiny box from Samantha May Sticks. This was intended for the Hobonichi, but I think it's just the perfect size, honestly, to mark something like small, like my meeting schedule every day. I really loved using those this week. The laptops that I use are my absolute favorite from Planning World. I use those all the time. Again, the same dot clusters. That branch as well as the leaf are also from the Glitter Mama. All the like the solid foiled leaf deco that I'm pulling into this spread are all going to be from the Glitter Mama. I do have a code to that shop. It's Justine20. I also have a freebie that is on transparent matte sticker paper. It's all like little foil deco accents. So if you're interested, please use my code Justine20 and add my name to the notes to get that freebie. But also the Glitter Mama is currently having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend sale of 30% off. So definitely use, try to take advantage of that if you can. Her stuff is really, really great. Okay, to mark Bachelor in Paradise, I just pulled in a sofa chair popcorn icon from Cross by Towie, and then that little sparkle dot cluster is from Sadie's Stickers. Okay, here I'm just pulling in a lot of the same stickers that you've already seen. That tiny, tiny, tiny branch sticker that's on like the right-hand side of the column is from Honey Inked. This workout icon is again from Paper Blush Bar. And yeah, just some floral deco and foil deco that you've already seen. Okay, let me see. Am I missing anything? I hope not. If I am missing anything, please let me know in the comments section and I will definitely try to answer that and try to figure out what sticker, what shop, the sticker is from. But yeah, I actually love what I did with this one floral here. So I cut the corner out because I wanted it to be in the corner there. But then I took the excess and I put it and fit it around this box, one of the Samantha May Sticks Hobonichi boxes, and I love how that looks. I did put it on Thursday just because I didn't necessarily want those two florals to be like next to each other on like 2 consecutive days, so I just put that onto Thursday. Here on Wednesday, again, same thing, marking my work meetings. I did like a kind of like floral scene at the top there, and then hid the cut line with that divider from Letters to Apollo. And again, just the same foil accents that you've already seen or that I've already mentioned. This whisk sticker, no, that's not a whisk, that's a spatula. That is from the same sheet as the whisk sticker from Planning Roses. I'm just using that to mark that my boyfriend cooked turkey sliders, which is so good. I think the best part about his turkey sliders is that he puts it with a sriracha mayo, and it is so, so amazing. The dot cluster that I used on that half box is from the Glitter Mama, and then this like little heart cluster is from the Giving Girl. I also have a coupon code to that shop. It's Justine10. This like leaf outline that I put under this frame box is from the Pretty Pink Co. I also have a coupon code and a freebie to that shop. All of my coupon codes, freebies, discounts, all that stuff is going to be in the description box down below. So please make sure to look at that if you're interested in, saving some money. But I pulled in a frame box from the Pretty Pinko to mark that my boyfriend got me a massage gun. I think this was like a belated birthday present, but I love that thing. I am someone who holds like a shit ton of tension in my shoulders and my like upper back, and so I just recently stopped getting massages because they're just like so expensive to get them so regularly. So he got me a massage gun so that I could massage myself, and it is so good. I love using that. It's also good for like after a workout so you don't get sore, and I don't know. You can look that up. I don't know too much about that. But anyway, okay. On Thursday, oh, I should also mention this is the week of September 27th through October 3rd. I totally should have said that way earlier in this video. But okay, on Thursday, I had four meetings at work, but one of those meetings was to give a presentation to business development with my company, just about like kind of some of the some things in our research program. But it was an internal meeting, so it wasn't too big of a deal, but I was still quite nervous about it, to be honest. So I just, wanted to make sure that I marked that. I used just like a half box from the kit, some deco from the kit, and, some floral accents that I've already mentioned. Okay, down here, I'm pulling in another floral kind of scene here at the bottom, that same honey inked floral divider. And then this switch sticker is actually from Samantha May Sticks. The icon itself is huge. It is so big, which is why I don't pull it in to spreads very often, but I do love like the design of it. I honestly just wish it was like much smaller. But I used that to mark that I got Fauna's photo in Animal Crossing, and that was super exciting. It was actually my first like villager photo that I've ever gotten, just because I don't try too hard to get them to be like my best friend. But I love Fauna. She is so adorable and she's beautiful, and I think she's my favorite villager. Yeah, so it was super exciting to get her photo. I had been like for the last week, this week, I was giving her like iron lamps every day, or like I was giving all the villagers iron lamps. So anyway, let me know if you play Animal Crossing. Let me know who your favorite villager is. Like I said, my favorite's Fauna, and then I think my second favorite is probably Peanut, who is also adorable. And you'll see what happens with Peanut next week. Spoiler alert, I get her photo too. Anyway, on Friday I didn't have any meetings. One thing I love about the Alyssa's Craft Shop deco sheet is she put these like really huge floral pieces there, and I just had a lot of fun playing around with those. I'm not too used to having these huge florals, so it was a lot of fun to pull those in and cut them up and just like, again, floral garden throw up in my planner. I loved it. It was so fun. Okay. So on Friday, I got some groceries, just pulled in a credit card icon from Lilac Luna Plans. Here, I'm pulling in another frame box to mark what I made. This like pots and pans icon is one of my favorite cooking icons. That's from Crafts by Towie, and I made chicken and dumplings, which is, I think I've probably mentioned them in a video before because I make this dish all the time, but it's like a deconstructed chicken pot pie. It is so good. So like basically you just like make the like, I guess the filling in the pot. So it's like chicken, like shredded chicken, celery, carrots, onions, like chicken stock, cream, and spices. And then you make like a little biscuit batter, and then you drop the biscuit batter into the cooking filling, and it cooks in there. And I guess those are like what are supposed to be dumplings, and it is just really yummy. I also baked some apple cake because again we had a lot of apples to use up, and that was really good. And then I just pulled in my favorite sofa chair icon from the Pretty no, that is from Planning World, because I took a nap. Because that's what adults do. I don't know. Or that's what we do after eating a lot. Okay, yeah. Okay, so oh man. Saturday was my boyfriend's birthday. So the first thing that we did was clean the house. I pulled in a broom icon from the pretty pink comb. Then I'm literally marking this the same exact way that I did in the sidebar. So another frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, floral deco, foil deco from shops that I've already mentioned, to mark that it was my boyfriend's birthday. So yeah, it was a really great day. My boyfriend, for whatever reason, isn't too into his birthday, which for me is weird because I love my birthday. I'm pulling in this cake icon from Paper Blush Bar. So yeah, we spent the day basically with his family. We had lunch at Witherspoon Grill, and oh, I'm so sorry that like I lost the footage to that part, but you can kind of see it here. Thankfully, I didn't lose too much. But we had lunch with his family, and then after lunch, they all came over to the house because they had not seen the house since it was like all the renovations were finished. So they came over, pulled in a house icon from Cross by Towie, and then we also just played like apples to apples, and we ate some cake, and it was just like a really fun, really chill time. And I think he really enjoyed his birthday, thankfully. So yeah, that was really great. I always love, spending time with family and just having a chill time. Okay. On Sunday, just did a morning workout. That swoosh sticker is from Panda Bird Design. And then after that, like kind of like in the afternoon, our neighborhood had a block party, which is kind of cool. Like, so we were asked to like bring some food, and everyone just kind of got together in like this central place in our neighborhood. And yeah, it was just a time to like meet people because obviously we are new to the neighborhood, and I guess this is something that they try to do every year, I guess. But it was kind of cool. Like I'd never had a block party in like my like growing up. So yeah, I mean like it was a little awkward just because I don't know too many people there, and I'm also just like an awkward person in general. But yeah, it was nice. I mean, it was just like cute, like um, after that, I just relaxed and had some wine because socializing. And I mentioned before, maybe in a recent plan with me, that I started playing Tetris again. So I've been playing Tetris Battle, which are like really really quick, like 1 minute, 2 minute games where you're battling like a million other people. And I finally won. I finally won. It's called, when you win, it's called Tetris Maximus, and it's kind of killing me that I didn't cross that T. I'll probably do that now. But I finally got it, so I was really happy. And then the last thing I did at night was fill out my passport renewal, which you will hear more about in the next plan with me. But thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I really, really appreciate you being here and enjoying this hobby with me. I love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!